Where at?
Right there.
Where?
Right there. Put the gun.
68 element.
County, shots fired.
I got him.
Put your arms out. Don't reach, don't reach.
We're still having out there.
The county notified Cooper, male shot, pointing handgun.
I got him. Everybody else.
Watch, he's got a gun on him.
What do you got?
He's got a gun on him.
Gun on him. Point at us. Right there. Right there.
Start EMT. Start EMS. Start EMS. Chow,
Use that glove. Use that glove.
Yeah.
Chow.
Get the alarm.
Yeah, I got it.
We need ALS. ASAP. Where is she?
I don't know. The guy came out, pointed a gun. Pointed the gun. I thought he was gonna fucking shoot me, dude.
Johnny, who's the caller?
Get his shirt off.
There's going to be Charles Trump was my original caller, the owner of the residence. Johnny, can you give me some more units out here? I'm going to need a perimeter on Elm. Where is she?
Pull his shirt off.
Johnny, copy.
Okay.
I don't have a knife on me.
Alright.
Johnny, call the caller back.